Hi, I'm Alex Fenkell. I'm a co-founder over at SmileDirectClub, which is located in Nashville, Tennessee. We pioneered the world's first teledentistry platform and set out on a mission to democratize access to safe, affordable orthodontics. So since SmileDirectClub launched in 2014, we have worked with excellent partners over the years to get to where we are today. HP is a prime example of somebody who's been instrumental in our growth, helping us become vertically integrated and really perfect our supply chain to offer the best customer experience possible.
The partnership with HP has really given us the ability to scale manufacturing.
So SmileDirectClub is the largest 3D printing facility in the country, and it's powered using HP technology. So these 3D printers are producing 3D models that are then thermoformed with our BPA-free plastics that are custom-made for each and every single customer. From there, these invisible aligners, after being reviewed by a dentist or an orthodontist, are delivered directly to our customer's door.
The quality of the part has gone up, the cost of the part has gone down, and we're really able to produce the highest quality part at the lowest cost than ever before. What's exciting about our partnership is we both are interested in disrupting the market, and we both have a vision to grow and become the market leader.
So SmileDirectClub and HP are partnering to launch a new recycling program,
which allows us to take our used and unused material and turn that back into pellets for injection molding. This allows for lower cost and less waste.
The partnership between SmileDirectClub and HP is going to help open up the doors to democratize access to safe, affordable teeth straightening solutions. Having the credibility of being HP powered is something that speaks volumes to who we are and what we're doing.